say share the screen. Okay, so what we had looked, we seen that how to create the array. Do one thing, we know object. Can anyone tell me how we can add object with array? Can you make some variable? Means say, can you make like that? Make, yeah.
New keyword.
Object inside array. Okay, I want to make object
With new
inside array.
keyword.
New. Why we going with new? Don't take new. So see how we can make like I want a student roll number and name like that way. Correct. So a
There,
student data. Okay. And after that, remove this one. Remove this all data. Remove first. After that, make one array and inside make object. Got it? This way. Now pass the data. So object means how the data will take. We can write directly or
Sir,
something was there.
sir,
name colon.
sir, what you asked, sir, inside array we create object or object we create
See this.
inside array.
See this.
Object
See this
inside array.
heading. Heading. See this heading.
Object inside array.
So how we
Okay.
will pass that? We will pass with the help of key and value pair. Correct. So make
Okay.
like that. So we can make a name. Name is my key and value. Otherwise,
Value.
write that user. Sorry. User name.
Okay.
Fine. Username pass here Mohan. Okay. Now I want second username, then pass roll number, then pass here 22 like this way. Got it? So this is your one object. Whether one user having username Mohan and roll number 22. Pass roll number 22, then Mohan. I want a father name also. So FATHER father name. Sorry.
Equal
Father
to
name
Abhishek.
and give something X, Y and Z. Okay, like this. So this become one object. Correct? Who is on unmute? Mute. Abhishek. Now we will pass a multiple object. Okay. How we can pass multiple object? How we can
Write a
pass
curly braces,
multiple
sir.
object?
Write one curly
So
brace.
write curly braces and pass again some detail. That become
Copy
user
paste.
number 2. That will be user number 2. This is 1. So we will pass that again. So do one thing. Copy this one and pass here. I'll put roll number second. Okay. And this was Mohan. Now take Soham. 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 Fine. This become 2 data. Now save and check how we will get the data. So what we will do? A student name means we will pass the student data. Pass here. Then pass here also. And pass in console also. Let's save. See that now. Open this one. Wait. Open this one. You getting 2 data. See that. 0. Roll number 1, username, father name. 1. Roll number 2, username, father name. Open this one. You will get the data. Fine. Open this one. You will get the data. Let me show you original database. Give me 1 second. See, this is MongoDB official website. Okay. If you want to store some data, you can store here. It will be free of cost for 500 MB. After 500 MB, it will charge. Password. Who is this unmuted? If you want, you can create your account. You can do that. Let me authenticate. Where is that MongoDB? 429047. Yes, it get authenticated. There is one mobile app for authentication purpose, for security. Where is my cluster? See, here some data is there, like 1 of 20, only one data. Let me check this one. Yeah. Oh, some problem in the website. Document not. So see, whatever data you getting here, okay, these all are in the form of a key and value, like ID, a student name. Yeah. So ID, a student name, father name, class, fee, whatever. See that it will only one. It have more number of data. Yeah, this much came. Fine. See that here. It will show you. 1 second. Can I export this one? See, you can means you can check here how it is look like a student name. It's showing something admin. Okay, some data is there, and say this type. You can get here type. Now it's looking like a string type. Got it? So when you will click this, you can change the type. See that array, binary, boolean, code, date, decimal, int. Means all the type, whether it's a Java, Python, .NET, it's not depending anything. Okay, whatever is there, you can select. Means in original database, it will show that, and whatever data is there, it going with a key and value. So that's why when you fetching the data, so see these all record, whatever we getting, these all records are coming from this database itself, from the live server, from here. So if you have to fetch any particular data, like a student name, okay, so how you will fetch that? For that you have to identify some unique. So what is unique there? Unique is like our email ID, mobile number. Those are unique because no one have the same email ID. No one having the same mobile number. So those are the unique thing. Okay. As like that here we are referring anything like ID. Otherwise some mobile number is not there. Yeah, now. So we are referring like that way. So with the help of that, you can fetch particular data. So this data in the form of a key and value pair. Okay. So same thing we are going to do in our case also. What we are doing? We are storing data in the form of key and value. Suppose you want a username. Okay. So you have to go with that part. Suppose, so what, how much data is there now? One data, then two data, means a two user detail is available. So now tell me how we can access data. Suppose I want that data, means like username of XYZ, means this data I want. How to get that? How to get this value? Anything, username
Yes, sir.
XYZ or father name. How to get that value, particular value?
Yes, sir. With data, then
What we will write?
student data.
So first we will go with the array. This is my first variable, as like we are writing. So first we return a student data. Let's do one thing. Comment this all line. Let's see what happened. We got the student data, in the sense the complete array data. Where you want, which data you want. See, during starting itself we had discussed this thing. Okay. So next, which data we want? We want the username Mohan. Correct. So next, what we will do? A student data. After that, this is like an array. So we have to pass like this way.
Yes, sir.
0, sir.
0, because that is on 0th position. So we
Yes,
got
sir.
the complete 0 detail. Okay. This all is on the 0th position. This data. Next, what we want? We want a username. So after this, dot user name and save. We got the Mohan. Got it? So how to access data from array and object? This way we can access. Previously we had seen that if this is not array, then how you can access the data? See, I going to comment this both line. Comment this also. Yeah. So now we have only just one object. 1 second. Yeah, we have now only one object, and what is the name of the object? We are, oh,
Due to comma error is coming.
yeah. So we have now only one object. What is the name of that object? Just a student data. I commented all the line. Now tell me how we can access this data, username or father name. So we can go with the console.log, fine, and the variable name.
Line
What is
number
variable name?
47. Line number 47.
Line number 47. Yeah, means a
Confirm.
student data. We will pass that one, a student data, and this is object. So which data we want? Like we want a username. So we will directly go with dot
Username.
dot and username. Okay, and see, we got that data because this is object. So from object we can get directly. But when this converted into array, we have to go something different. So we will look over that how to get data of the object. Don't worry. So everyone clear with the how to get data from the object? Object, I'm not telling array, not this one, previous one. This is just one object data. This is your one object. So how to get this object data? Who have issue? Anyone having issue? How to get the data of this object?
No, sir.
No issue? Fine. So now, yeah, come to the array. So what is array? Array is the collection of a data more than one
Collection of
value.
similar data type.
Yeah, similar or different, it will not the issue, because we had seen that here we had to take a number and a string, both data type. It worked. Fine. So let's see why using array. With the help of array, we had seen it going to hold multiple data in one time. Means it making the collection of multiple data. That is the benefit. Otherwise, we had seen that if we have to write fruit value, so we will write fruit 1 equal to apple, fruit 2 equal to something, then fruit 3. That's why we will make array and we can collect multiple data one time itself. Fine. So if you have the list of item, like a list of car name, for example, storing the car in single variable, could like this type. So we will write like this: car 1, car 2, car 3. But in place of that, we can create one array. So how to create the array? Now let's move on that one. So first question, how to create array? Tell me how to create array. Roshan?
Sir, first you take one variable.
Yeah, tell me any variable name.
Array name and
Why you
car,
telling array name, a string name? Why you taking these things?
car collection.
Oh, means car collection is there, so we will take car collection. That's fine. I had told that most complicated thing, choosing the variable name. You know the code, you know everything, but you can't choose the variable name. Okay. Okay. So we taken vegetable list, and here we will pass the vegetable. A, I don't know, A for, then pass B, then passes C. Okay. So this type we can create array. So what is the symbol of creating array? This is a square bracket. Clear? Everyone? Any issue?
Sir,
No issue.
I have one question, sir. Sir, before you tell array is storing more in array is storing more value, like
Yeah.
car, like
Correct.
car is equal to, like array name is equal to item 1, item 2, item 3,
Yeah.
and many. Then sir, this also we work in object.
Yes. So in object also we are doing the same thing.
And
In object also.
yes, sir.
Wait. How to create object? Tell me. Let data equal to next.
And data is equal to, and curly bracket.
Yeah. Now tell me
After
some data here.
yes, sir. Data student key and pair.
Yeah. So key
Student is equal to Ramu.
equal to Ramu. Equal to or colon?
Sir, colon, sir. Sorry, colon.
Colon.
Yes, sir. Colon
Like this
Ramu.
way.
Yes,
Correct.
sir.
So
Yes,
it's
sir.
going to make the collection of data itself. Fine. We will get
Yes, sir.
that what is difference in both, because
Yes,
both
sir.
are going to store same data. Okay. I telling you here itself. This is your named value. Means the key is key having name, like a
Yes.
student name, age. This type we will pass the data. Like suppose here you passing age colon 20. Then
Father name.
okay, if name colon
60.
colon
No,
60.
no, sir.
You telling father age. So father name G. Okay. So this become
Okay.
the data collection of data itself, but the data having name means a key and value. So key having the name. So how to access data of the object with the help of a key value means
Key
not
value.
value with the help of key. You can
Key.
tell just a key means a key name. So this data having name property. Got it? Data having name.
Okay.
Name in the sense for accessing that key having name. So what is key? Key like a student, then age,
Yes.
then F name, correct? But in the
Yes, sir.
case of array, that is not the case. So in the case of array, there is no any key. Got it? But data is there. And now without the key, we can access the data. So that is the array. We will get that point. Don't worry. So it is common practice to declare the array with the const keyword. Why we using always const keyword? Because once you declare that array is the collection of data type, means it is collection of data. So if you declare one time that a student list in your database, why you will change? Correct or not? Once we declared some data, we no need to change that. So that's why mostly in the array case, we will move with the const. If you're not going with const, it's not an issue. Okay, don't worry. But we can mostly go with that. Fine. So this way we can create the array. Next, a space and line break are not important. Let's do one thing. Whatever data we had passed, make a space and line break. So let's see. If you will format, again it will go there. But anyway, just I will break. And let's save and check whether we getting any error. So console.log page list and save and check that whether we got output or not. So we got the output A, B, C. So there is no any issue whether line break or not, but the best practice that we will do that formatting. So Alt Shift and F do the formatting. Always if you written one line of code, do formatting. You can also create an array and then provide the element. Means now what we was doing actually, we was creating array. Now one thing is there. Here we getting A, B, C. Fine. Click this. What you getting in front of A? In front of A, what we getting? See, that's why I not giving a break. Because after dinner, everybody sleep. Hello? Is my voice audible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes.
But why nobody is speaking? Oh my God, everybody is slept. So see what I had asked question. Okay. So here be getting 0 in front of A. In front of B, be getting 1. In front of C, be getting 2. So something be getting. Now tell me objective. Pass some data. Fast. Pass some data in the object. If you not spoken, I will remove from the call. Seriously.
The student name.
Eating and sleeping. That thing is going, Dharmender. Really, if you not spoken, yesterday I had removed that 2 person you had seen, and they had never came. So please be
Sir,
conscious.
book name.
Okay, so be gone.
Author
First
name.
A. हम एक चीज बताइए, सब तो खाना खा के सो रहे हैं, शिवानी तो बिना खाए नहीं बोल रही है, मतलब क्या वो सो रही है कि जाग रही है, मुझे पता ही नहीं चल रहा।
नहीं खाया खाना।
अच्छा, आपने खाना नहीं खाया?
नहीं सर।
सर हम एक्चुअली पढ़ रहे हैं कल के एग्जाम।
कल क्या एग्जाम है?
बहुत टफ सब्जेक्ट है सर, क्रिप्टोग्राफी काफी टफ है।
क्रिप्टोग्राफी? मैं तो अभी तक क्रिप्टो क्वाइन सुना हूँ, बिटकॉइन, क्रिप्टो,
क्रिप्टोग्राफी
क्या वो भी शेयर मार्केट जैसा है क्या?
कोरियोग्राफी।
न्यूमेरिकल्स, too much numericals.
Okay, so see what we doing here. We created one array, okay, and we created one object. Be careful, this is difference between object and array. Tomorrow don't ask that what is difference. So this is object. Now what we had done, we had just taken console.log and we got the data. Fine. Now tell me, I want first name or last name, any one data. How to get that? Speak fast. Don't spend time.
Object data dot
Sir,
dot L
Dot
name.
dot
L name.
F name.
name, L name, anything. So B got A. Fine. Now tell me. Now this is in the object. We already seen that. Now come to array. How we will get the data? Just A.
Sir,
Shivani,
we take
Praful, Roshan.
we
Sir,
take
taken
big
0
bracket inside that we
in
take zero.
bracket.
ये तो पूरा मछली मार्केट बन गया.
Sir, take big bracket and inside that take
Huh?
zero.
Okay, 0. So now see, B taken 0, B got A. Got it? Now see how we got this thing. Because in case of object, we had written first name dot. Correct? We had written here object data dot first name. Then we was getting that value. But here we got something like this way. Do one thing. A. Put here Ramu and L Ramu Lal. Okay. Next, yeah, in this case. So how this happened? So actually, in the case of array, yesterday means in the method of a string, we had seen one thing, position. From where the counting was starting, Shweta? 0. So same thing here also. Okay, it will start from 0. And whatever number is written, means whatever, not number only, alphabet, digit, anything inside array. So each comma separated become different position. Like now you can see that this is 0, 0th position, this is 1st position, this is 2nd position. Got it? So this thing, it going in the case of array. So if you want the first data, what you have to do? You have to pass the position. So what is the position of A? So A position is 0. Got it? So we got the A. How we will pass that means a position value? Let's see that one. So in the case of object, how we was passing? First we was passing object name, correct? So here we will pass first that array name. Clear up to here, Sweta, Roshan, Praful.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Clear?
sir. Clear.
After this, what
Yes,
we
sir.
were doing? In the case of object, we had passed a dot, and then after that, what data we want? So we want a first name. But in the case of array, we not want the first name. There is no first name case. So what is that? There is the position concept. Fine. So what is the position of B? Sweta, what is the position of B?
1, sir.
1. So pass 1. But one thing is there. These all are inside a square bracket. Correct? So do that here also. So don't pass 1 directly. Pass with 1. Means with a square bracket. Okay? Whether you passing a space and this, that's not the matter. See, this we passed a space also, but it will work. But don't pass a space like this way. Just format the code. Okay? Now check that whether we getting output. So we got the B. So this way we can mute. So this way we can access the data from the array. Got it? Clear or not? So any data. Now tell me how to get the last one data. C. How to get C?
Replace dot.
Position is
2, sir.
We will pass a 2. Fine. I want one thing. I not want to pass a 2. Can anyone tell me? In place of
yes,
passing
sir.
2.
Yes, sir. Length
Yeah.
minus 1,
Okay.
sir.
Okay, fine. Sweta,
Sir?
approach whatever he told, it is wrong. Tell me what we can pass. I want last data. How to get in place of not passing hard coded value?
Yeah, sir. He telling right, sir.
Oh, he telling right. Okay. So what we will pass? Length minus 1. Let's see what happened. This is undefined. What is the issue? Whose length? Had you told?
Sir,
One
length
second.
dot
Sir, with list dot length minus
Wedge list.
Yeah.
List, put
Only
dot,
minus.
Wedge
Okay.
list dot length -1.
Correct. So in the case of a string, what we were doing? We was passing a string dot length. Correct or not?
yes,
We
sir.
was writing this one, a string dot length. Then it was giving the value. So here wedge length, the complete array means wedge length. So here we will pass, sorry, not wedge length, that is wedge list. So here we will pass wedge list and dot length. And then we will pass -1. Now we got the C. See that? Correct? So this way, what it will do, it will give the means value. We can get hard coded also. And here we had passed the dynamic value. Now, what is the, now you can see what is the benefit of passing this value, dynamic. Now you have only C. Tomorrow, another student going to enter some value, D. Tomorrow something more, F. Tomorrow something more, Y. Now tell me, is there any need to change here in this line of code? Is there any need? No, because
No,
it
sir.
will automatically calculate this length -1, and it will always give the last one. Last one in the sense Y1. Now it will give Y. Got it? What we had done? We had just changed the data. And who had changed the data? Now we had changed. But tomorrow automatic database means just consider this is your database. Tomorrow automatic data will be stored in your database and you can get automatic. Got it? So that is the benefit. Why we going always dynamic value? So that's why we going always with the dynamic value. Don't hard code the value. Clear? So this way we can access the data from the array. Everyone clear or not? So first value, second value, or even any value, whatever you want, you can go like this and you can pass the position. But one thing is there. In the array case, this is not the position. That name of that position in here, that is index. That we can tell as index value. So what is index value? Roshan, what is index value? So index value in the sense the position of that means numbering you can tell. Got it? Like 0, 1, 2, 3, whatever position of the data is that one. That is known as index. Clear, Sweta? Samsad, clear?
Yes, sir.
So here be telling position. Sorry, not position, index. So if anybody telling you one question, if anybody telling you how to access data from the array, so what you will tell? We can access data with the help of index. Got it? Note down this thing. But when anybody telling you how you can access data from object, how we can access? With the help of?
Position.
With the help of?
Key and value.
Why value? We will access the data with the help of key, not the value, because value is value. Got it? But in case of array, we will access the data with the help of index. Clear? So whatever index is there, we can pass inside this like this type. Everyone clear up to here? Anyone having any doubt? Tell me.
Hello, sir. One doubt.
Yeah.
Sir, you was told previous class object inside array and boolean
Yeah.
something.
Correct.
So yeah, sir. I confused this thing.
Okay. Don't worry that one. Object inside array. We will come later once you will clear these all. That was just a sample I had given. We will come. Okay. Up to here right now, it's clear or not?
Yes, sir. Clear.
Okay. So hope everyone clear. Now do one thing. Now we had passed the data hard coded. Now we want to create that array. How to create array? Let's see. So we want to create the array itself dynamically. Okay. And then we will see how it's working. So see what we had done here. We had taken one array and here we not passed any data. What will be data actually? If we not passed, is there any data? What you will get in the output?
No output, sir.
No, sir.
No output means it will be null, empty, like that type. It given you, but length is 0 and it is complete empty. No data is there. But what we will do now, we will pass the data. So how to pass data? Inside this. इस एक बंद कीजिए उसको, एक लगाइए उसके कान के नीचे. So here what we will do, we will pass inside a string. See, this is cars. Okay, so give the car name. What is the car name? BMW. BMW. Then next Nano. Okay. SAFARI Safari. Let's see. Let's save the data. And now we will get 3 data. Fine. So we got whatever data we had passed. So whatever data we passed, we got that. Fine. So I not want the data to be here hard coded. Got my question? We had passed the data that was hard coded. I not want data like that way. So one thing, keep in mind, what is the index value? What is the index value of this one?
0.
0. What is the index value this one?
1.
1. This one?
And 2.
2. Do one thing now. Remove this completely. Okay, and pass the data now. So how to pass? Let's paste this one. So see what we had done. Car, we passed the position here, index. Correct? Sorry, by mistake position is coming, but position or index both same. Don't worry. So car 0, we passed like array. By this type we was accessing the data. Correct or not?
Yes, sir.
We was accessing the data by making array symbol and we had passed 0. This way itself. So same thing we are doing here. Car 0 equal to which one you want. Like we passed some data. Then car 1 some data. Car 2 some data. Okay. Means we had not hard coded inside the array. We had hard coded the data, but after somewhere means we getting the data from somewhere. Got it? That we are doing. So what data is there? Sub Volvo, BMW, something, something. Let's save and let's see whether we getting the data or not. So we got the data. Got it? Do one thing. Make one more. So what will be the position? Index value?
3.
3. 3, sir.
3. Okay, let's see. So we got total 4 data. It's showing that 4, it is length. So what is the value? Total is 4, means last value 3, that is nano. Okay, and now I want to access the last value. How to access the last one? Now it's showing all data. I want only third value. How to get?
Length minus 1, sir.
Cars dot length
Minus 1.
minus 1. It will give you what output it will give. Can anyone tell me? Be careful.
Nano.
I want exact output. Nano. Okay. Others.
Nano, sir.
Others. Nano. Okay. Others.
Sir, it is inside the big bracket, sir. It's so rare,
Sir, you
Okay.
also
Sir,
you sir.
Olu
Sir,
coming
array, sir, we
in
can
second.
pass inside inside the
No, 1 second. Sweta, what output you will get due to this line? We had done mistake. I know that a square bracket we had not passed. What output we will get? Due to this, what output? No, not undefined. Something will come. That is your.
Sir, car one Olu.
Use your mind. No, not that one. Use your mind. Some data will come.
I think,
But-
sir, 3.
minus
Yeah, it will come 3. Because see, what is this one? Car dot length. What is the car dot length? 4.
Sir, you are giving so much time, and that time you are executing in our browser only, sir.
What?
Sir, you are giving so much time, sir. At that time, sir, I executed in my browser only, and I got the answer.
Yeah, that's why I was waiting. See what happened here. Cars dot length. It will give you 4. Correct? After that, we had -1. It giving you 3. What we was expecting? We was thinking to get this data, not 3, 2, 1, something like that. It given you position 3. It means index. What I want the nano. So what we had done mistake? Praful, tell me. Praful, what mistake we had done?
Sir, square bracket.
Where? Tell me complete line. Complete sentence.
Yeah, sir. In cars and after one complete square bracket.
Only sir one.
Cars, a square bracket.
And
After
dot
this,
link. No, sir. Car inside the square bracket.
car inside a square bracket.
Yes, sir.
Like this way.
Yes.
Correct? Okay, next.
sir. Dot length
Dot length.
-1.
Shivani, take care what he telling. I will ask. Correct? Now
Yeah,
tell
sir.
me what
And
what
sir-
value you will get.
And inside in parentheses pass in car.
Means here you're telling.
Yeah, cars.
Now you are correct. Now we got a nano. Got it? So what what we done? Here we taken the array, and after that we had passed the index. Which index? So length -1. We had done that. So this way we can access the data. So anyone now issue means anyone having issue now, what we had done, we passed the data outside. We had not passed the data, means we had not done hard coded value. Do one thing, we will do some experiment. I don't know whether that will work or not, but I thinking to do. Can we use here prompt? Shivani Kumari, how to use prompt here? If I want data from the user side, how I can do? Tell me the code. Are you also studying?
सर शिवानी कुमारी नहीं है क्लास
कहाँ गई? भाई ये तो गड़बड़ हो जाता है, लोग गायब हो जाते हैं. Okay, so Shivani, tell me how to create the array by using prompt method. Praful, Roshan, yeah. Abhishek,
सर वेरिएबल
First step,
Shweta.
one variable, sir.
Sir, for what?
first we can
For
pass
what?
variable.
Where you are sleeping?
Sir, give them 2 minute time.
Sir,
Go to
first
Google
you-
search.
That time I'm writing.
Okay. Okay. I want to create array, but using prompt method.
Yeah, sir, you can.
I created one array,
Sir-
empty array user data.
Sir, inside
After
square
you
bracket
use-
in
Sir, we can
Uh,
pass.
inside square bracket parentheses giving and prompt method can use.
Where you
सर आई
telling here?
थिंक सर वी टेक यूजर
Yeah, sir.
डाटा 0. No, sir. No, sir.
Okay, user data
0.
0 means a direct 0.
Means, sir, big bracket. Big bracket. No,
Okay,
sir.
okay, okay. 0
Equals to
equal to
prompt
Praful.
and take
This
bracket.
way you have to write. Enter first value like this way.
And then semicolon.
Got Praful. See, if you will start thinking broadly, then you will get idea. And you can think that, yeah, this is useful there. Everyone. Correct or not? Now user will means it will ask regarding the second value. Means a different value. And now we are not giving the value. User will give the value, and that value it will pass. Means it will create the array, and then here we will take a console.log user data. Take that. Fine. Now see, there is no any data. Correct or not?
Yes.
There is no any data, and this console is not going to print you any data because there is empty array. Let's save and give the value. Enter the first data. I going to pass anything 12. Enter the second data. Ramu. Enter third data 25. Enter something. Now you got that. Whatever data we had passed. So from where that came? It came from the prompt, from the user side. Got it? So this way
Sir,
we can create.
Sir,
Yeah.
with prompt we take like a number, sir.
Yeah, we can take, suppose that, but prompt will always give you a string type. Got it?
Yeah.
But
Okay, sir.
suppose that first number, if you want like that one number type, not a string type, you have to add here plus. It will parse that one. Otherwise, in the number we had seen how to convert a string into number, parse int method was there. Correct? So we can convert that value. Here pass that plus. It will just ask the user enter first value as number. Okay, let's see. I don't know whether it will. So it asking first value as number, second value give a string MOHAN Mohan, third value give something Ramu SOHAN Sohan. So see, we got that first value as number.
Yes, sir.
Got it? And remaining all value become a string. So what I had done here itself, I had done the plus. So it converted that. Otherwise, we can do parse. Correct or not? So if you want to convert, you can convert this value. Means you have to tell that user which value you want. So I want a parse int. Take that parse int method and then pass that whatever you want. Now also it will give you the int value 25 Ramu Mohan Sohan. We got that 25. It become parse int because we had converted that into int form. Clear? Anyone having any issue? I want the second value also, number type. Convert this one and tell the user, request to means give information to user also that I want second value as number type. Then only, otherwise what user will know? Nothing. He will pass anything. But you telling that I want something like got it. So this way we can take the input from the user end and then we can create the array. Anyone having any issue in creating array? Tell me. So see, yeah, 1 second. So whatever, 1 second. So whatever data you taking from the user from your form, okay? In the form section, we had told you to take the data from the user. When you saving the data, with the help of those data, you can create array. How you can create array? you can pass the data here from the form field itself. Got it? Otherwise, you can create array or object, anything. Whatever data user had entered, you can create that object, or you can create array, do manipulation, save data. Got it? Many things are there.
Sir,
So how to get, yeah.
sir, if we want to put color,
Then see, color will be, means it will, you have to pass that where? From the HTML page. Means you can do all the manipulation, but you have to think accordingly that where it will
no,
work.
sir.
It will
If
work
I
with,
want to change only one color, means user data 1, I want to change only this output
where?
color.
In the console.
User data 1.
In the
Yes,
console.
sir. Yes, sir.
In console, a style is working.
Yes, sir. That is why I'm asking.
No, in console, a style will not work. A style only on HTML page. Array is written there.
Okay.
There it will work. Got it?
With the help of ID, we can do it.
Yeah.
Okay.
We can manipulate accordingly. We can pass that. That's not an issue. Suppose I want to take some data from the user in. Let's see. I want input type equal to text. See, practice, then only you will get idea. I think still nobody had completed that assignment. Why we got here NaN? Any idea?
Yes, sir. We have to write a dot in inner HTML to see output in the.
Inner HTML? No. We got that means NaN because here we converting parse int and already we are giving a string value. It's not a number like 1, 2, 3, 4 something. We giving ABCD. ABCD will never converted into int type. That's why we got that error. Okay, so we had passed one value here, enter name, pass here ID. Okay, and name, sorry, email. See what I going to do, this fourth value I will take from here, value. Okay, and in value also be passing something, email. So here we have to pass some event, correct or not? So I will take on change email, email value, and then we will make the function call. Then we will create one function. It's become lengthy. I will not do completely. I will give you just a hint. Take this complete data inside. Pass that also here. Console data, user data, take fourth value. And fourth value I want from where? From this input field, email ID. So how to get that data? Speak. Here we will write document dot get element by ID. What is ID name? ID is email. So pass email, and then dot
Inner.
value.
No, sir. Inner HTML.
No, that will be value actually. That will be value. Then
That-
only you will.
After inner HTML, we can pass value.
I don't know.
Yes, sir.
Inner HTML dot. No, value will be there itself.
Only value, sir. Not value.
Yeah. It will come here itself. Value. So see what we going to do now. VALUE. Yeah. So see what we going to do. What happened? This value max. So see what we had done. we taken one input field. On change, we had taken the value, and here we constructed the array. We constructed empty array, and after that we taken the data from the user. Okay, and then we had done one part, means there. So it will take all the value, and after that it will construct this array and it will give the value. Let's save, and let's save here also. Now see, I don't know whether it will work or not. I done randomly anything. What you thinking, Dharmender? Will it work?
Yes,
Please
sir.
don't tell that.
Sir,
Will it work? Yeah.
you're not calling functions, sir.
Oh my
Sir,
God! I done blunder mistake, Sweta.
Sir, calling
Sweta,
inside.
Sweta, what is this one?
Event, sir.
It's
Oh
called.
my God! Event is on change.
Yes, sir.
This is function call.
Yeah, sir.
See,
Yeah.
I think it's works.
Get, sir.
So dot log user data.
I thought I done blunder mistake.
So it's showing error,
Okay.
sir.
It will show error. Oh, in value we had given something. Na. aa@gmail.com. Now on change start. Take the value 12, something more, 25. Then take Ramu, then Mohan. We got that data. Got it. Where is the data? My data, input field data. This one is my input field data. Remaining all data coming from prompt method. And this become the array. Got that? What I had done. This fourth data, I taken from the input field, and remaining all data, whatever is there, be taken from the prompt, from the user end. So suppose you done the form creation. Okay, you created the form. You can collect all data and you can pass in, means you can construct array, or you can construct object, and you can do like this. Got it? Clear? Means you can do manipulation, different type. Anyone having any doubt in this one? Tell me. So this way we can construct. See, nothing we had done. One thing I will tell you clearly. Just I taken one simple in input field, and in input field I had added one on change method. Sorry, on change event, and on that we had a call function call, and here we had created the function, and here we going to construct the array. Samsad, the same way we can construct object and we can collect all the data of the form, and here we can construct, means for constructing array already we had seen on the top, we passing the data, but the data we not collecting from hard coded, we collecting from the user end. So this way we can collect the data from the user end, but what we want our form data. Fine. So form data, this way we can construct. Got it? So what do one thing, if we had passed user data 4, means this is on 4th position, then 0, 1, 2, 3 is not there. What we will get actually in that case? I have one dot.
Sir,
What we will get?
Sir, we inserting user data. Yeah, sir, you inserting the value.
We are inserting the value at 4th position only. Correct? We passed the 4th. What about the 1, 2, 3, this position? We will get any data? Null, nothing. What we will get? So let's see. What happened?
Empty.
What we got? Empty in, see, it is done calculation. Is also shortcut. Empty multiply 4. Okay.
Sir, console also using shortcut, sir.
Yeah. So it done means it also lazy like us. It not writing 4 times. It written 1 into 4. Okay, so this type we can construct our data, okay, and we can manipulate. So anyone having issue in constructing the array dynamically, tell me. Same thing we can do with the help of a new keyword also. Okay, as like we had seen how we can construct it with the help of a new keyword. So new keyword is the keyword means for creating instance, as we had discussed yesterday also. So here what we can do, we can write const cars equal to new array, and here we can pass all the data like a string. What we was writing in case of a string, const car equal to new, and here we will pass a string, correct or not? This will be your string keyword, and after that you will pass a string data. Clear? Getting or not? Okay, so these two example above do exactly the same thing. There is no need to use a new array. Okay, as like a string number, we suggested that don't use a new keyword. Directly you can write. So same thing here also, no need to write a new array. Now, for simplicity, readability and execution speed, use the array literal method. Array literal in the sense, just create array like this, not this one. Means this any like this or anything, but we will just write like normal. No need of new or this, that, anything. So we already seen how to access array element. Anyone having any issue in the case of accessing? So we can access like car 0, car 1, car 2, car 3, like that way. We can get the data. We already seen that. We had seen or not? Yeah, in the console we had seen there. Anyone having any issue? Tell me. We will look over that. Anyone having any issue in accessing data of array? Tell me. No issue? I think everybody slept.
नहीं सर, हम जगह हुए हैं।
Yes, sir.
आप तो दुकान का रखवाली कर रहे हैं अमरदीप, इसीलिए जाग रहे हैं। बाकी तो घर का रखवाली कर रहे हैं, इसीलिए सो रहे हैं।
सर एग्जाम को पढ़ना बहुत जरूरी है सर।
ओ, तो हम कहाँ बोल रहे हैं, हम भी तो वही पढ़ रहे हैं।
पता है सर को, तो पता ही नहीं है।
सर न्यूमेरिकल है सर, सॉल्व
मतलब
नहीं होगा।
ये ऐसा बोल रहे हैं ना, धर्मेंद्र ऐसा ये बोल रही है शिवानी, लगता है जैसे साल 6 महीना पूरा पढ़े हैं और इस टाइप से मतलब बोल रहे हैं कि बहुत जरूरी है।
कि और सारा थ्योरी पेपर था, ये न्यूमेरिकल है।
Okay, so see how we can access the data of the array by the index value. Clear? So with the help of index we can access the data like 0, 1, 2, 3, but for the last element always keep in mind with the help of which one? Abhishek, if you have to access last element, how you can access? Which one will be good actually?
Sir,
Abhishek, are you? Yeah.
no sir, not sleeping.
Yeah, don't sleep. Otherwise, yesterday I had kicked out. Today again I will kicked out.
No sir, not sleeping.
So how to access last element? Not by passing that index value. Another method means another way.
Sir, another way.
Full? Yeah. Suppose
Sir,
if I have to access last value,
Sir,
how we
length
can
minus 1.
yeah. So
Sir,
length
length
minus 1. Keep in mind length minus 1 means array dot length minus 1. We will follow like that.
Yes sir. For giving sir car name and dot length.
Yeah.
Car dot
Not car
length
name.
minus 1.
Wait,
Sir,
don't care. No, array name.
array name. Okay, sir.
Now this is a car. Tomorrow this will be bus. You will tell me how to access bus data. No, that is variable array name. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So this way we can access the data. Now, if you have to access the full array, how you will access? Just with the help of array variable. Correct. Like you have car. So with the help of a car, see everything we had seen. If you're not believing, just see here. User data. Okay. Whatever we discussing now already we had discussed. So arrays are object. Already we had checked with the help of type of. Correct or not? When we checking type of array, it giving you object. So now you will get that. Arrays are a special type of object. The type of operator in JavaScript return object for array. But JavaScript arrays are best described as array. Okay. Arrays use a number to access its element. So see how to access array data with the help of which one? For accessing this data, what we was using? Anyone? How to access the data of array? Any idea? How we accessing the data? Oh
Yes,
my
sir.
God, this. How to access the array
With the
data?
help of index, sir. With the help
With
of
the
index.
help
With
of index.
dot and
Why nobody is speaking? Means what is the problem? Whether you not understanding or what is the issue?
No.
See, one thing I will tell you. Whatever is written in this topic, means this complete page. Okay, we already discussed all the things. That thing. Okay. Now whatever I is explaining one by one, that is just for explanation. Otherwise, we covered this complete page of array. This much is there. So please just speak fast. Then only you will get idea. So see how to access the data of the array. So for the accessing the data of the array, we will use index. Correct? As we had used here. See that on the top itself. We used a vegetable list and one. See that index value we had discussed. So with the help of index, we can access the data of the array. Next. So car person means something is there, car const person. So if you have to access the data, how you can access? Person is the array name dot. Suppose that this is object. Suppose this is object. So how you will access the object data? This one. Suppose you have to access age 46. How you can get age 46? Speak fast.
Sir, plus and use in print int.
Plus and print int.
Sir, that
No, sir.
there-
So you was told in prompt method. That's why.
One second, man. This is not prompt method. This is object data. See this
in
curly
object,
braces.
Sir,
How you
variable
will
name
access?
dot array
Yes, sir. Yes,
-1.
sir. Got it. I confused.
So variable name, that is person, a dot age. Correct or not?
yes, sir.
Correct. So, but the case of array, how you will access the data? Array and passing index value. Correct?
Index value, sir.
0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, whatever is there. So this is the answer of Abhishek question. He had asked that time what is difference in both case. So in array, we are storing, means we are accessing the data with the help of index 0, 1, 2, 3. But object, see this line, object username like this one. This is one array. This is your object. Correct or not?
Correct.
Okay. So yeah. So one array and one is object. So let's see. In the case of array, if you have to get data, you will access with the help of 0, 1, 2, 3. But in the case of object, if you have to access the data, you will pass with the help of a key name. So here, object use name. See this, object use names to access its a member. Names in the sense key. Got it? Clear or not? But in this example, like a person dot first name return John. Clear? So person dot first name, it will give return John. Person dot age, it will return 46. Like this way we can, this is the difference between array and object. So object is the, there is no any date, means there is no any key, but in case of a object, that is key, means object is the you can tell like a key and value pair data, but that array there is no, means one common word I telling you. So array is numbered index. Getting? Now tell me for object what I can write.
For key, sir.
No, array is numbered index, because in case of array you getting number 0, 1, 2, 3, correct or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Correct. We getting index value here like 0, sorry, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, like this way be getting value. But in case of object, what we getting? How accessing the data?
Key.
Dot length.
Object is
Named.
named index.
Named index.
Okay, because each data have name, like first name John, last name Doi, age 46, each have name. So that's why we're telling object is named index. Clear? Anyone having any confusion in both case? Now tell me.
Sir, we can also call key and names.
Yeah, name itself, but it will be suitable example, means it will, you can tell like based like a definition itself. Object is a named index, but number array is a numbered index. So if there is a requirement that there is no any name required for creating data, you can go with a numbered index. There is no any key and value like that type of data. If you want to create something like that, you can go with object. Like suppose you have to create age of many member. Okay, but there is no any particular name or something. You can go with that. Okay, age equal to, you can pass like this, pass that 10, 20, 30, 45, like this way. This will be numbered index. If you have to store data, means like first name, last name, like that, something with key and value, you can go with object. Data equal to, pass like this, then name colon Mohan, comma, oh sorry, comma, roll number. Pass anything. Got it? Clear or not? So if there is no need of passing, means like name, means key and value, you can go with this type of data. If there is a need that no, we will pass something key and value, unique purpose, so you can go with this one. Both will do the same thing. But yeah, some method is there when we will learn looping, that time you will see where that will work. Okay, but this is the best example, means best definition you can tell object and array. Clear? And this way you can create the data. I not think that anyone having any confusion now. In the case of array and object, how you can access data, how can create the object, how you can create the that array, I not thinking. So how we can create an object actually? Means dynamically. Can anyone tell? We want to create object user data equal to like this. This become empty. Let it to be. Now pass the data. How we can pass?
User
User
name
data.
colon
Colon.
and name.
Is this really colon?
User. Oh, sir.
Or beacon? I don't know how to pass. User data equal to I think user data equal to.
No, sir. Only, sir.
Not equal to, sir.
Let it to be. In object we will learn. Don't worry. This is
Sir,
array. Object. Yeah.
Sir, in line
Yeah,
number
tell me.
64, after name, colon, we can pass
Line
here,
number
sir, is, yeah,
where?
sir.
Here.
Line number 64, after name, colon,
Yeah.
we
Name
can pass
colon.
here, sir, name, colon, yeah, roll number, I think, sir. There we pass, sir, like age and a square bracket and 0 like that. Here, age, a
Correct.
square bracket. No,
Is
sir,
this
a
correct?
square bracket, a position.
You making array.
No, sir. Is how can you print, sir, like a 10? 10 is on the is 0, na, a 0 index.
Yeah, yeah. Okay, got it. So what are you writing here? Age like this way.
Yeah, is yeah,
Okay, got it. You're telling like this way.
yeah,
Yeah,
sir.
why not? Yeah, because anyway, age 0, where is the value? Age 0 means 10. So it will give that.
Yeah, okay, sir.
It will work. Why not? It will work. Data dot roll number. Correct. Let's save. Wait, let me comment this line. Where is that one actually? Oh. See that we got roll number that 10 means age 0, 10. Correct. Because anyway, we are referring this value somewhere and that is available here. Correct. Got it.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. So we had access our data means array, then something. Now one more thing is there. Array element can be object. What is meaning of this? JavaScript variables can be object. Arrays are a special kind of object. We had already checked type of. In the case of array, it was giving object itself. Because of this, you can have variable of different types in same array. What it means? Because of this, you have variables of different types in same array. Like this. Where is that one? Mix array. Where is that gone? Oh, that was in second another page. Okay, so we had already created a different type of data inside one array, number, string, mix type. You can have object in an array. Just see. Suppose this is my array. Inside I want to pass some object. We can pass that. Correct or not? Can we do that or not? So let's say remove line number, 1 second. Remove 50 here and pass object. Can we do this one or not? And inside this,
Yes,
pass
sir.
some data. Name.
Yes, sir.
F name colon
Ramu.
Ramu. Fine. Now tell me, Praful, how to get this Ramu data.
Yes, sir. Hello.
How to get Ramu? Yeah. I makes this too much complicated. Now you can rotate. Now tell me. Now see what I done. Console.log data. So with the help of this, Shweta, tell me how we will get this value.
Ramu, sir.
Yeah, Ramu.
Age.
Age.
Age. Big bracket.
Big bracket. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
5, sir.
5. Let's save. What happened?
4, sir.
Inside, after we can start. Yes.
Be
Dot
getting
F.
on fifth. That is on fourth position.
Yes, sir.
5th is value, sir.
Yeah. Fifth is nothing is there. Don't consider this one. This completely is 1.
Yes, sir.
This is on 0th position. This is 0th. Correct?
Yes, sir.
This is 1. This is 2. This is 3rd. And this complete is on 4th.
Yes, sir.
Correct or not? Because comma. So we got up to there age 4. And after that dot F name. And save. We got Ramu. Correct? But we not want like this way. I want via data. You had gone directly from the age. I want from here data. Tell me, anyone.
Sir, your question is not clear.
Okay. So you had told from the age. Correct? Means you
Yes, sir.
directly started, means your journey from this age section itself. I want through this one. Roll number is there. Inside roll number age, means first you have to enter in the data via that way.
Yes, sir.
First I
Yes,
enter
sir.
in data. After that,
Data. We can
Data
cross
dot, sir.
career.
Full number.
after this data dot
Rule number.
Yes,
roll number. Let's check roll number. After this, let's see what happened here. Up to here, we got data dot roll number. It giving you complete array. Correct?
yes, sir.
Means now you have to access a data from the array. How to access data from the array? Which way? We will pass the position. Correct?
Yes, sir.
In the
Yes.
big bracket, we will pass the position. So which position? That is 4th. Correct or not?
Yes, sir.
So see, on
Correct,
4th,
sir.
we got F name Ramu. What we want? We want F name dot F name. Now see,
We
got it?
that.
Got some idea or not?
Yes, sir.
Shweta, is it confusion?
Little bit.
This, see, this is our data. See what you done. I have two objects, means I have two data. One is object this one, fine. One object this one, and one array is this one. What we had done at starting time, we directly taken data from here. Correct. But I not want a data from there. I want a data via this one. Because anyway, array is available here in the case of age. Correct or not?
Yes, sir.
In direct ways, age is available there. Correct? So age is available. Just do one thing. In the place of age, remove the age, and can we not write this complete line?
No.
Is this correct or not?
Sir, it's also correct, sir.
Correct? Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Because in the case of this, previously we had written here age. Now we had replaced the complete data. Now I want it like this previous itself. Clear? Up to here.
Yes, sir.
Clear. Okay. Now what I want the F name. How we will reach there? Via this one. Means suppose that you have to go this one itself. There are different ways of reaching there. But I not want the straightforward. I want by the turning way. Okay, zigzag motion. So how you can go there? Remove this one completely. So which process I want? I want via data. Okay. So first I take the data. And let's see what value we getting. So in data, we got the complete data, whatever object. Correct.
Yes, sir.
Mohan is there, roll number is there, we got all. What I want now up to roll number. So let's say now see, this is your object. So how to get object data?
Dot.
How to access? Yeah, dot roll number. So let's save. Oh, sorry. Let's save. We got the age. Means now we getting age 1 value because this is array and here it's showing array. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Now it's fine. Which one we want now? We want this one. For F name Ramu. What is the position of that? That is fourth position. So how to get array data? Because now this is array. This is not object. So suppose that by mistake be done dot. What you will write here? Because roll number, that is array. So array in the sense a square bracket. Correct or not?
Yes, sir.
And in the square bracket, we will pass the position. So what is the position of this data?
Four.
Fourth position. So pass this fourth. Now see, we got F name Ramu because on fourth position, this is the data. We got the complete data there. What we want? We want just Ramu. So how to get, now see, now this is your object. So how to get the object data? With the
Dot.
help of key. With the help of key. So we passed the F name. Let's see. We got the data.
Yes, sir.
And you will get data from here also. See, this is also the correct process in both. But this one, we directly taken the data. In this process, we taken the data, but from the zigzag motion. Got it or not? Clear now?
Yes, sir.
See, what we had done, you have to find out whether array or object. If object, how you will get data. If array, how you will get data. You have to be clear in these two things. Everyone clear? Or anyone having any doubt, tell me. Because if you understand
Clear, sir.
this one, if you understand this line, means this is complicated task. You can imagine like that way. Okay, because multiple things is mixed there. First one is object. Inside object, array is there. Then array is there. And inside array, object is there. You are accessing data, array, object, like that way. Clear, everyone? So this way we can access the data. Fine. You can have object in array. You have function in array. You can have array in array. Means many things are there. Inside array, object, then function. Means as much you can manipulate, you can do that. That's not an issue. So up to this, if anyone have any issue, tell me. No issue? Fine. So we covered the complete array method, that how to create array, what is difference between array and object, how to create an array, how to access the array data, and how to access the object data. If there are array and object, means both mixed together, how you can access that, how you can dynamically create array. We had looked at these all things. These all was basics of array, not only basics, you can tell advance of array. Tomorrow we will learn about the methods of array. Sorry, methods of array. As like string and number, we had looked over. Array is also having their own method, like how to check length, how to access the first array element, how to access the first array. Tell me. This thing we had studied. That is the thing. How to access first element.
Inside this bracket we
So
can
for
run
0.
Just we will pass 0. How to access last element? See, last element.
Sir, for like a fruit and a dot length -1.
Why you taking always fruit? Don't take fruit. I told take array. Just tell array name or
Okay, sir.
array variable or array. So we will take array and length -1. Correct? Array dot length -1. See this. We will access the last one. Then next is looping. Don't tell looping now. Before that, adding array. Okay. Yeah. So then we will get that push method and pop method. These all are simple, you can tell. But one thing is there, see, whatever you had seen in the case of a string, okay, as much method you will get here also. So be careful from starting itself. Okay.